Let's make eggless chocolate chip cookies. Add 1 cup of softened butter to a large bowl, along with 1 cup of light brown sugar and a ½ cup of white granulated sugar, and mix until combined. Add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1/4 cup of water, and 2 teaspoons of cooking oil, and mix until combined. In a separate bowl, add 2½ cups of all-purpose flour, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and ½ teaspoon of salt, and give it a whisk. Add about 1/3 of the flour mixture and mix. Then add about 2 cups of chocolate chips and give it a mix. Scrape the sides of the bowl with a spatula. Then add another 1/3 of the flour mixture and mix. Then add the rest of the flour mixture and mix until combined. One last scrape of the bowl and mix a little bit more. Then remove the beaters and get the cookie dough off of them. Scoop a heaping tablespoon of cookie dough and place it on a cookie sheet lined with parchment paper or a silicone baking mat. Place each mound of cookie dough about 2 inches apart. Bake at 350 Fahrenheit for 8 to 12 minutes until lightly golden brown. Let cool a few minutes, then transfer to a wire rack to cool completely. This will make somewhere between 24 and 36 cookies. Enjoy! Find the recipe on my website, inthekitchenwithmatt.com.